How would you like to be able to create an entire animation video using just one prompt? Well, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. My goal for this channel is to help you create your products as quickly as possible. To do this, I'll walk you through different strategies and techniques to be able to help you create your products. Products like video courses, ebooks, PLR products, as well as PowerPoint presentation tips. And we can't forget about AI tools. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. All right, guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now the site we're talking about is 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝗁. Now, 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝗁, if you haven't heard of it before, creates animation videos. And the best part about that is all you have to do really is just add a prompt and it'll do it for you. Now, these animation videos have their own characters and so forth. And you can also do talking head videos. And besides animation videos, you can also do picture style videos. In other words, the stock photo videos that you often see online. And I've also created quite a few of those in the past using Pictory as well. It can also create its own text to video AI generation so that you can actually have it create an actual AI generation video. Although you're better off on the enterprise one for that one because that requires a lot more credits. Okay, so let's go and have a quick look at the pricing. All right, for $15 a month, you get 100 minutes of AI video creation. You get, which is about 2 hours or just under 2 hours. You get 800 AI images and premium stocks per month. You get 120 seconds in generative credits. I'll leave a link for this down below, by the way. 720p resolution. You got up to 90% human-like voiceovers. I'm in the Pro version, so I can also get 100% human-like voiceovers, and I can go up to 2K resolution as well. For the $45 a month, you can get 300 minutes of credits per month, 2,400 AI images and video premium stocks, 120 seconds of generative credits. You got the resolution, 90% human-like voiceovers, and so forth. Over here, the Pro version, which is the one I'm on, you can get all of this plus 100% human-like voiceovers. Now, that's if you're paying annually. It does go up if you're going to be paying monthly. So $60 a month for the starter, $80 a month for the Pro. Let's go in and have a quick look at how to do this. Now, I already have a prompt ready to go, and I'll just quickly read it out to you when I get it. I'll see. They said straight into them. Here's a 5-minute animation video about how to use AI to edit and repurpose PLR ebooks and videos. Don't use purple prose or too many metaphors. Now, a lot of times I find that a lot of AI go into a lot of too much detail, or they go flowery language, and I really hate that, or they use too many metaphors. So don't use purple prose or too many metaphors. Use practical examples like blog posts, email lists, membership sites, course creation, as well as how stacking different edited PLRs together to create a funnel. Speak about using AI image generation for covers, as well as AI voiceovers for videos. Speak about using AI tools like 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝗁 or Pictory to create videos for YouTube. Make it a tutorial. I might make it an animation tutorial. That'll do. And let's go, just hit generate. Now what it'll do is it'll begin to start generating some ideas, and then you can, at the end over here, it'll tell you what it's doing. Now it's going to be using a horizontal, which is what we want. We don't want to go vertical or square. Generative clips, but we don't really want to do that. We want to be able to make it AI. So we're going to be going over here. So we're going to be making it 2D AI. I want to be making this custom. I might make that a little bit longer. Enter it in seconds. I'm going to try and make a 5-minute video. That'll be a 5-minute video will be fine. We'll be using males as the voiceover. I'm going to be enabling BGM. I'm not sure what BGM is. I'm going to enable it anyway. And we're going to be making a tutorial video. Okay, so all we need to do now is hit generate script. And what that'll do is it'll then generate a script. And after it's generated the script, we can then go ahead and choose the style it's going to be using. And then after that, it'll then generate the video for us. I'm just going to pause the video while we're waiting. Okay, so now let's say, for example, you want to be able to make this a little bit longer. You can also go like this. For example, click on an area where there's like a full stop or a question mark. You go down here and you can now add that to a new scene. Adding this one here, go down there, and that now adds an extra scene to it. This will also help to lengthen the length of your video as well, so that it is more appropriate. Now I'm just going to go here, go dot and dot. Now I'm just going to fix this up for a little bit and just lengthen the length of the video, because it only was going for only 25 frames, and I know I can do up to 60 frames. So I'm going to pause the video while I just go through and fix this up and make it longer. Okay, so now I've expanded that to about 37 frames. So hopefully that will now make it a little bit easier to use. So let's now go generate this one. Then what's going to happen is it's going to give you some text here or some ways in which you can do it. You can choose this one here, this one here, this one here, or you can do whatever. I'm going to actually choose this one here. So I quite like that one. And I'm just going to be right back until it's finished.
Use AI to edit and repurpose PLR ebooks and videos. A step-by-step tutorial. Got PLR content gathering digital dust? Let's turn those ebooks and videos into pure gold with AI.
Now I'm going to just change this. One of the things I can do if I want to is edit this. Let me just cancel what I was doing. Go here to customize. Now that was good. Now I'm just going to go over to the next frame here and go to this one here, because you notice it said I. So what I'm just going to go do here is put a little dot between them so that it separates it. I'm just going to go through and do that with everywhere it says AI, just to make sure that it is in fact going to say it correctly. And this way it's not going to just muck it up every time it says it. Plus also too, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the voiceover, get rid of the music if you want to, and I highly suggest you do get rid of the music. Otherwise you're going to have to try and find their license if you do upload this on YouTube. So I'm going to get rid of the music. I'm also going to go use a different voiceover, starting from the very beginning. Go change voiceover, replace. Now remembering, I can choose, because I'm in the Pro version, I can choose 100% AI voiceover. So I'm going to be doing over here, I'm going to be using Elite voiceovers 100%, and I can go through and have a choose of which one I want. And once I choose the one I want, I can then use that. I'm just going to be back in a minute while I choose. I think I'll choose Charlie. I've used him before. He's really good.
Hello, I am Charlie from Steve.
Okay, I'm just going to use him. I'll update that. And we'll add it to all scenes. And we'll have it regenerate it. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's have a quick listen to this.
How to use AI to edit and repurpose PLR ebooks and videos. A step-by-step tutorial. Got PLR content gathering digital dust? Let's turn those ebooks and videos into pure gold with AI. First off, what's PLR exactly? Private label rights let you legally edit and sell ready-made content. Perfect for fast content creation. Now imagine using AI like ChatGPT to rewrite that PLR ebook. You can customize the text, update info, or spin it fresh for your audience. Say you have a PLR chapter about social media tips. Ask AI to rewrite it as a blog post or an email newsletter, done in minutes.
Okay, so what you can do if you want to, I mean, that's pretty good. I'm really enjoying the fact that it's mouthing words, even though they're not the exact words. It's mouthing it, and it makes it kind of look like it's trying to match it up, which is kind of cool. I can choose this one here, I think it was. We can just click on the actual guy. Say you have PLR chapters about, okay, so let's put him sitting at a desk. And have him sitting at a desk, and we can have him sitting at a desk reading if you want to. It's up to you. I think that's a good one. Choose that, and that'll do. That works. Go over here. Ask AI to rewrite it. Okay, so let's now go here. Go change action. Computer. Hit that. And we can choose this one here. And you can choose through. Now, if you want to say, for example, you don't like that particular character and you want to go through different characters all the way through, you can just click on him. You can go change character, and then you can pick and choose whatever character you want. I like the one I've got here, so I'm going to keep him. And then you scroll through and have a look at all the scenes it's got. Now, this does make the 4-minute video almost. So, as you can see, you can go through and have a look at the various things you can do. And if you want to change things up because it doesn't quite match what you're wanting to do, you can easily do that by just clicking on the character and change his action and make it work better for you. Say, for example, for videos, skip recording your own voice. So what I'm going to do is go over here. That works perfect. Click on that. Pull him down just a little bit and drag that over so that it's got the entire thing there. That works beautifully. Go over here. AI voiceover tools. Produce natural clear narrations. Let's save hours. Okay. I'll have him looking at his watch. Look at watch. Yep, that works. Have him so he's standing there looking at his watch. Me saving time. And yeah, basically just go through and edit as you want. Well, once you're finished, all you have to do is hit download. Now you can also change the background if you want to. So if you find a scene that you don't particularly like, or you change the background, you can change the background. So you want to change the color, you go over here, you go there, and you can change it to whatever color you want. Now, if you like the very first scene color, which is red, what I would strongly suggest you do is click on the background, you change color, click on that, and copy that. You go Control C, go back over here, click on this, change the color, click on that, add that there, go by Control V, and that then changes it. And then you can have it apply to all. Apply to all, and that now adds that to every single scene. Now, if you want to keep that yellow there, and click on that, change the color, find out what the color is, copy that, Control C, go back over here, add that to all the scenes, go to color change, go here, Control V, and apply to all scenes. Apply to all, and that's how you do it. Now, it's also giving me yellow screens for it to make it a little bit different. And that just makes it look really slick. Now, I'm going to actually undo all of what I just did so that it is consistent with the previous one. Okay, that is how you do it. That is easily how you do it. So as I said, just download it. And once you've downloaded it, you can download it to however you want. So you can publish it directly to YouTube if you wish to, or you can download the video. I'd highly suggest you download the video and then upload it manually yourself. You can choose the resolution you want. Now, I'm going to choose this one. You choose that obviously as MP4 would be the best way to do it. How to use AI to edit PLR videos, a step-by-step tutorial. It would be the title of the actual video. And then you just download that to wherever you want. As I said, I will leave a link for this in the description down below. All right, guys. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of Steve AI's new text-to-video feature. Also, too, I'd just let you know that right here is a playlist of all the AI videos I've ever created. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.